Hello, everyone. Taking into account the current security figures that our city Monteria faces, it is important to analyze the situation and provide some strategy to make Monteria a safer city. Mayors can and should do a lot to make their citizen feel safer. First of all, the mayor must listen to the citizens who are thus directly affected. Um, he should have a broad and long-term vision of the community, in which the causes of the crime can be worked on in parallel with it, its effect on the action. The other hand, on the other hand, the mayor could On the other hand, the mayor could have to implement measures 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 that improve coexistence, security in the city, such as improving public lighting. There could be rated patrolling on the streets, keeping park and public space in good condition. And the mayor can govern alone from the desk. He should be direct contact with the citizen and know firsthand what the needs and interests of this community are.